Welcome to this video, which is part 1 of the step-by-step access to New Hampshire's electronic direct certification program. This video will cover how to create an account and then where to access information. First of all, the only person who can create an account and access information is the direct certification officer. Here is the link that you'll use to access the electronic program. You'll click here. When you access the website, you can begin to create an account. I already have an account. However, you will select Create an Account here. There are a total of 4 steps, and you're required to complete each step in its entirety before moving to the next step. First, you're going to add your name and your date of birth and so forth. This is what it might look like. I've added fictitious information, and then you're going to click Next. This page requires you to create a username and then a password. Please make sure that you pay attention to the requirements to do this. The username must be between 6 and 20 characters long, and then you have to confirm it. Your password also needs to be between 6 and 20 characters long and consist of 2 types of characters, such as lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and so forth. Now, because this is fictitious information, I'm going to tell you what the password is to demonstrate how I have met this. So this password is this with the 1 after it. And therefore, it meets more than 2 types. It meets lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and a number. And then you're going to complete this information down here, and you're going to click Next. The next button takes you to your final page. This is page 4, and you would click on Submit. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to add a fictitious account into the system. After you've clicked here on Submit, you're going to be ready to access the system, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But before you do, it's a good idea to write down your username and your password so that you don't forget it and so that it's easy for you to access the next time. So after you submit, you're going to be able to sign in and do this process. So let's go back to the website. You've already created your account, and now it's time to access your account. So when you click on the website, you're going to come down here to the user information. I already have an account and I've already added my information here. However, should you forget your username or your password, you can just come over here and click on it, and you will receive information to the email that you have provided about how to get in. So I'm going to log in. And if you're an educator, you already have this piece here. But we're going in as a food nutrition services people, and so we're going to click here. Doing so will bring you to this page, and you click Direct Certification. There are 3 ways of accessing information from this program. One is a query by individual student, and you complete this information here. The other one is eligible roster, and you complete your information here. And the other is a query by file. Now, part 2 of the video will talk in more detail about this. So this concludes part 1. Now it's your turn. Please follow the directions that you've just been provided and create your account. When you have done so, you will be ready for part 2.